Namaskara. In this video, let's learn about spatial understanding and shapes. Spatial understanding. What we call spatial understanding is a concept mainly taught to the children studying in first and second grades. Children in their young age normally learn from their surroundings and only then step towards learning various other things. So, spatial understanding is the first topic which they learn in school, which they learn in the mathematics class. NCERT has mentioned about the topic spatial understanding, and the topics for spatial understanding, we have seen this already. Space, that is spatial understanding or awareness of space. If it is clear at a young age, it becomes the very foundation of geometry. If they learn it well at a very young age, in future, while they start learning geometry, we can say it will be easy for them. Small children, you must have observed, a small child keeps observing itself. She keeps watching her hands, her feet. Slowly, she will start observing others. Similarly, as she keeps growing, not only about herself, but she will also start observing her surroundings. When they come to school, when they join first grade, to a large extent, they will be familiar with objects and their surroundings. They might have knowledge of the concept, but nobody would have taught them in a formal and a structured manner. So, in the school, we move towards teaching them mathematics in a structured and practical manner. Now, what is environment and what do we have in our surroundings? It may be colors, it may be shapes, or it is all a total chaos. If children don't have the ability to identify shapes, don't we call it a big mix-up? It leads to a big confusion. But slowly, while growing up, they see figures, they see shapes. This is a flower. This has color. This is an animal. This has movement. This way, they learn all these qualities on their own. This we take up in the school at a later stage and teach them. When children clearly start understanding these concepts, then in future, when they learn numbers and measurements, or geometry, or learning abstracts, we can say this becomes the foundation of their learning. Let's understand more about this, and as we have learnt in another video, mathematics should be joyful learning. Play and learn, do and understand is our motto. In that direction, how we can teach this particular concept? Using our TLMs, using our mathematical kits. In what way we can teach this in the class? Let us see.